When it comes right down to it, ROI is what it's all about for your business. So how do UltraSonic LLC cleaning machines stack up? Your payback period on an UltraSonic LLC cleaning machine can be much shorter than you probably expect. For example, a customer purchased an UltraSonic LLC 65-gallon cleaning machine. That one machine saved a minimum of 1 hour per day in cleaning time, or 20 hours per month. That was a savings of $1,500 in monthly labor costs, or $18,000 annually. The cost of that investment was $16,000. So the client netted an ROI of $74,000 in labor costs over 5 years. UltraSonic LLC's free sample parts cleaning offer is a great way to see for yourself how effective our ultrasonic cleaners can be for your business. Just ship us any part you like. We'll precision clean it and return it. We'll even send you a video of the process so you can see firsthand the cleaning power you can expect from UltraSonic LLC.